Hi! In front of me is Asus ROG Phone 60 and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. First of all, open Settings and scroll all the way down right away to Access System. Then click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Lastly, just tap on Text Correction. As you can see, all text correction options are available over here. If you want to manage them, just click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!